Hello, it's day 19, and the topic today is routine. I like to make routines instead of practice times. And what routines do for me is that it takes the thinking out of it, right? If I know what the routine is every day, I know, okay, from here to here, I'll be doing this without fail. Here to here, I'll be doing this. I don't want to think. Practice is great, but sometimes what should I practice? And then I start thinking. It's like, no. I try to take the thinking out of it. So I have a routine. If I want to do something, I try to somehow make it a routine. The best times to do stuff, or the hardest things, is earlier when I have high energy, because slowly throughout the day, my energy gets lower. Right? So high priority beginning, low priority at the end, because your energy tanks. But try to have a routine so that I know what I'm doing today, what I'm doing next week, what I'm doing in a month, what I'm doing in 6 months. And it just goes on and on and on until either the project's done, and then I start a new project, and I make that routine, and that tends to really help me. So like in YouTube videos, right? I had to make this a routine. Wake up in the morning, I have breakfast, I brush my teeth, wash my face, I come up, set up the equipment, I sit down, I look at my notes, I do the video, and then I chop it up, edit it and all that, upload it to YouTube, and right? And this is a routine. 30 days. I know what I'm doing, but I know what I'm doing today. I know what I'm doing tomorrow. I know what I'm doing after that. So you see that a routine has been a big help to me. And I hope it can help you too. So that's day 19, routine. And I'll see you again tomorrow, as this is my routine. Later.